In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Tradingview discount. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure the automatic savings are turned on so you're not paying more than you need to. First, open your web browser and head to tradingview.com. You can do this on desktop or mobile. Make sure you're on the official site so the pricing page and discounts display correctly. If you're on mobile, the layout might be slightly different, but everything we cover here will still be available. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner and click Upgrade Now. This takes you straight to the pricing area where Tradingview lays out its paid plans alongside the free option. You'll see what each tier unlocks, like additional indicators per chart, more alerts, multiple chart layouts, and other advanced features. Depending on the interface language or device, the button may simply say Upgrade, but it leads to the same place, the pricing and checkout flow. On the pricing page, find the billing toggle. By default, it often shows monthly billing. Switch it to annually to activate the built-in discount. When you toggle to annual billing, Tradingview displays the yearly price billed up front, along with the effective monthly rate and the savings. The site typically shows up to 17% off compared to paying month to month, though the exact percentage can vary by plan, region, and ongoing promotions. Look for visual cues like a highlighted annual option, a save badge, or a crossed out monthly equivalent to confirm the discount is applied. Take a moment to review the plan details while the annual option is selected. Make sure the features match what you actually use, since the best savings come from picking the right tier and committing annually. Keep in mind that taxes or local fees may be added at checkout, and the currency displayed usually matches your region. If the discount doesn't appear, try toggling back to monthly and then back to annually to refresh the display. Seasonal sales can sometimes stack or replace the standard annual percentage, so if you notice a larger promotion, the process is the same. Just keep the annual toggle on to lock in the best rate. When you're satisfied with the plan and you see the annual savings clearly shown, you're set. That's all there is to it. Go to tradingview.com, click Upgrade Now, and switch to annual billing to capture the discount. Enjoy the savings and the upgraded tools.